Do you have a brilliant product idea but don't know how to bring it to market? Have you struggled to find or to collaborate with contract manufacturers, ingredients, and packaging suppliers? Well, look no further. Meet GrowinCo, the platform that helps you launch your product faster than ever before. GrowinCo helps you find the perfect manufacturing partner for your product. Browse through thousands of verified manufacturers and suppliers with just a few clicks. Filter by category of products, quality certifications, market, and other requirements. Didn't find what you were looking for? No worries. Create a project with the capabilities of the ideal supplier for the project. The platform will ensure confidentiality, preventing you from disclosing information to suppliers who cannot meet the requirements. You have control over who can and cannot see your requests. Our sophisticated algorithms and smart matching system will find the most suitable options based on your specific needs and requirements. GrowinCo can speed up product development and launch by streamlining the production process and ensuring timely delivery of high-quality products. Access GrowinCo today. We are the most complete global network of co-manufacturers, ingredients, and packaging for your product needs.